Klasky csupo.
Klasky csupo incorporated the bloopers. Now take one. Kaka, why are you the new Klasky csupo logo? You need to be normal, okay? Got it? Whoops, sorry about that. That's good. Take two. Cut. You're not supposed to be turning into klasky obelisk. You're supposed to be normal. Whoops, sorry about that. That's good. Take three. Cut. It's not supposed to say TVY. It's supposed to say Klasky csupo. Take four. EpiC? Why is the EpiC peacock doing here? I bet it'll say, brought to you in living color.
It will say the following program. The following program is brought to you in living color on NBC.
It's supposed to say Klasky csupo. Take five. Alright, where the heck is Splat? He's supposed to be shown here. Take six. Cut. The white on the Klasky is just too dark. Take seven.
Don't worry, I'll try and fix that.
Whoa! Cut. Splat, you're not supposed to explode. One more chance. Screw up again, you're fired. Good job, Splat. This will be published on the station ID.